Now we will visit a patent office site so that you will come to know that okay, where exactly that fee schedule is hosted on the patent office. So you can just visit that, and whatever activity you want to do, you can just see what the fees is there. Also we will see the forms, it is a schedule 2, so that you can see that what is that form 2 is, what exactly is covered there. So we will now visit a patent office site. Okay. Now we have seen this site earlier also. And now just click on the administration, right, and then you can see here form and fees. Okay. So here you can see here the first schedule is hosted here, that is a fees, right. Now this fees part is here, and then you can see here that is a form 1 to 5, that is form 1 to you can see here up to 30 that forms are hosted here. Now we will just click on the form 1 and we will see what that form 1 is. So here is a form 1. Now here if you see the details in the form 1, you can see that this application number, filing date, all these details will be given by patent office. Now here what information you will fill? Check here the type of application. So you have to give the type, that is whether it is ordinary, whether it is a conventional, whether it is a PCTA national phase. So that details you will add there. The next is like a details of the applicant, that is the name of the applicant, what is the nationality of applicant, what is the country of residence, and then the whole what we can say the details of the address that you have to enter. Next is the category, whether you are filing it under natural person category, or you are filing under small entity category, or you are using the next status, that is a others. So whatever the category you are opting, that you will consider here. Then you have to give details of the inventor. Now next, moving further, you can see that the further details which are there, that is a details about the inventor you are giving. Then after that you are giving details about the invention, that is a title of invention, and then you can just go through the what we can say the other details whatever are there, that service what we get, whatever the service address of that service is there, and then you can just note down. We have already said that the patent office is moving towards paperless, and so they are expecting you to give email ID, mobile phone, etc.